Kindly take this matter also request.
My lords, last time your lordships indicated not to do that because you've reserved the orders in that on the interim. This
Then
is
any
coming,
other day, Wednesday, Thursday, any day, my lord.
this is coming up as a fresh matter when notice also not gone.
So in this writ petition, how many prosecutions are
There are three FIRs. Your
There are
lordship,
altogether how many FIRs?
16 is the
16.
list that they've given us.
One FIR court has interdicted and passed an order. Then
Correct.
another FIR in criminal revisional application was in connection with another FIR criminal revisional application was preferred and there was an order.
Yes.
Petition.
Yes.
And the writ petition which will be coming up on which
29th.
On 29th.
29th. 15412.
Or 25th.
25th. Coming
25th. I'm sorry. 25th.
Coming Tuesday.
25th.
In that writ petition, court is considering three. So there's 3 plus 1 plus 1, it comes to 5.
5 plus 3 today.
Apart from this, there are 9 others.
Yes.
Yes.
But as per
Now, out of these 9, 3 are
here.
3 are here. No,
As
and as far as we know, my lords, there are 16 because they have handed over that list last time.
Yes.
There may be more. I may get to know of it.
if there is more, let them give that. That
No, already this has been given.
they have registered fresh cases, my lord. After 16 fresh, many more cases have been started.
Many more.
Yes, my
I
lord.
don't have
Let them.
instruction.
Yes,
Can
my lord.
be
Let them
registered.
produce that with instruction.
He is not a Given same instruction. person.
And let
If
them. Let
common
them, my
people,
lord.
they
No,
think.
Mr. Shankar Naran,
Hello.
what this court is, it is passing to the mind of the court that this point was urged by the respective parties,
Yes.
whether in a writ petition,
Yes.
whether the writ petition should be singular FIR based
Yes.
writ petition or not.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
that is one of the issues argued in the writ petition, which
Yes.
will be coming up on 25th of this month.
That's correct.
Now, if it is ultimately decided that no, one writ petition should be
Challenging single
filed,
FIR.
challenging single FIR,
Yes.
then you are
Yes.
required to file separate FIRs. But if it is decided therein that no,
Yes.
in one writ petition, all the FIRs can be clubbed.
Yes.
That event, it will be better so far the petitioner is concerned to take steps based on the order which is to be passed on 25th. But
as
today
long
I am
as-
not passing any order. I will keep this
So-
petition pending for taking appropriate steps based on the decision to be taken on 25th.
Manoj, if I may respond.
Yes.
My response on that day to this preliminary objection which they taken was that this point has been decided by the court in Mr. Suvendu Adhikarya's case.
No, it has never been decided. I was a part of it when it was argued. There, Malaysia Sengupta has categorically
I'm
said
not
this
accustomed to
point was
interruptions
never
like
raised.
this, Manoj. Allow
He
me
was
to
the
complete.
counsel, my lord. The point was never raised.
Allow him to make
Yes.
submission. I will hear you.
That is the problem now.
Yes.
Manoj, the judgment.
Advocate General is sitting quietly and hearing the proceedings, watching the proceedings. Yes.
The judgment in Mr. Suvendu Adhikarya's case, the final judgment of 24th October 2025, your lordships will recollect that the paras 9.2 and 9.3.
Naran, you have
Yes.
argued elaborately
Yes.
in the
Yes.
writ petition on this point. So
Yes.
therefore, you need not dilate.
No, I don't want to dilate. I'm not going to take your lordship.
Let this court pass an order on this point.
Yes.
So far, that writ petition is concerned, which will be
Yes.
coming up on 25th, and
Very well.
accordingly, we will take steps.
So I have just one submission then, Manoj,
Yes.
which is that since in those cases as well, there has been a protection from coercive steps being taken, let that protection be given to me. They can
How
file
can
it.
it has not been heard as of now? My lord, protection, question of
sorry,
giving
I don't
protection,
understand.
my lord,
I'm
does not
committed-
arise.
That's
I
a-
have lodged complaint, my lord. There
This-
is the Shebas
again,
Roy
again,
Durniti,
yes.
my lord. You
I'm
have
grateful.
heard the Shebas Roy Durniti.
Yes.
Shebas Roy, my lord, a child, he has
Yes,
lost her
here-
hand.
If
A lady,
want-
my lord,
that's not your complaint.
So if they want protection, let
I'm
them
sorry.
take the anticipatory bail court, my lord. If they want immediate protection.
I'm
But
sorry.
for
Can I?
influential person, a common man. Now your lordship has to decide whether in a single writ petition 3 FIR can be challenged or not. Your lordship has kept the matter on 25th. This is also a similar issue. Until unless
So that is
three
a
complaints
when
lodged.
the
Three
court is
complaints
placing
challenged.
this matter for consideration on a subsequent date.
Yes.
In view of previous direction passed in another writ petition, that matter will appear under the heading for order only for passing order.
Yes.
because hearing is concluded.
Lordship.
So therefore, at least during this period, do not take any steps.
No, verbally we can, my lord, we never called also. And these are of the offenses.
For me, for me,
The
his
order which is to be placed therein, that will govern the other
Yes,
FIR.
Keep
Yes.
the matter on Tuesday. That is the reason I'm saying so. My lord, kindly
Let
keep
it
the
be
matter
an
on
order.
Tuesday.
In the
My lord,
meantime, don't pass any. Don't.
Well,
take-
my
kindly
lord,
pass
may
an
I
order
humbly
to that.
state one thing, my lord? May
my
I-
lord,
Otherwise,
for me,
this petition will become infractuous.
My lord, may I
That
humbly
is
state
kindly
one thing?
pass an order.
My lord, if
No, my
they
lord, no,
want
my lord.
protection
Your lordship,
by
you
of a
hear
writ
this.
petition,
Yes.
but other remedies are available before the other
My
court.
lord, yes.
482,
Similar
482,
prayer was made
482.
in other writ
No,
petitions
no,
too.
no. My lord, here, my lord, I'm telling your lordship, without going through the case diary and case docket, my lord, giving, my lord, blanket protection to them. My lord, should not be given. When your lordship has said, till that
No,
time,
it's not a blanket protection, Mr. Mojumdar, because in at least 3 matters, in that matter which will be coming on 25th, there is protection. This court has granted protection in Bidhannagar
Lordship,
75,
I know, I was
case
asking
number
that matter.
2026.
Yes.
Cybercrime Police Station case number
Lordship.
75 of 2026. Criminal court taking criminal divisional application of the petitioner has granted protection.
Lordship.
So therefore, in several matters, protection has been granted.
My lord, this is
No,
a completely
Well, this is a
separate matter, my
completely
lord.
different matter.
Completely
Well, I need to
different.
place the well, case
PCP
record
and
with your
facts
lords.
are there, my lord, in
Permitted
this
this
case.
petitioner to go abroad. What remains?
My lord, may I humbly state, my lord,
That is
same political rival once again,
my
my
lord,
lord,
whether
after
this case
5th
is
May.
maintainable or not,
Well,
first, my lord.
that is
Your lordship
in
didn't
respect of
enter
the.
into the
Well,
case,
they
my
are
lord.
saying Article 21, right to
Sure.
right to
My
travel.
lord, kindly do
What
not
is
give any
that
order, my
writ
lord.
petition number?
It's
Which will
That
be
one is
coming up on
15412
15412 of
of
20.
26.
My lord, do not, my lord, do not pass
15412.
that order, my lord.
My lord, my
Kindly
humble
fix it,
submission, my lord,
fix it,
kindly
my
fix
lord,
the matter any day.
Kindly do
Do
not
not
pass
pass
the
any
order,
order.
my lord.
Well,
This is a completely separate allegations, my lord, regarding Shebas Roy, my lord.
Let him not.
Several kinds of, my lord,
Let him-
allegations are there.
In this writ petition, three proceedings.
Three proceedings.
Three
Various
proceedings, my lord.
prosecutions.
Page 18. But kindly look into page 18.
Page 16 and 17, there is a tabular.
Yes,
there's a
my lord,
chart.
where protection has been granted already by this court.
Your lordship heard that matter, my lord, elaborately, and then your lordship has passed the order. Here, my lord, we have not started the brief as of now.
But this is the affidavit of service.
Protection.
By presenting this writ petition, challenge has been thrown to three following criminal prosecutions. -1, Bishnupur Police Station, case number 753 of 2026, dated 4th July 2026.
Correct.
2, Robindra Nagar Police Station, case number 213 of 2026, dated 11th July 26. And Bishnupur Police Station, case number 884 of 2026, dated 23rd July 2026. Next paragraph. However, Mr. Shankar Narayanan, learned senior advocate representing petitioner on virtual mode, Mr. Gopal Shankar Narayanan, learned senior advocate representing petitioner on virtual mode, and Mr. Rajdeep Mojumdar, learned additional advocate general representing state respondents, submits that another writ petition being WPA 15412 of 2026 is scheduled to be considered by this court on 25th August 2026. When that writ petition will appear under the heading for order, quote unquote, for order. Next slide. Since in the writ petition being WPA 15412 of 2026, 3 other criminal prosecutions are questioned. 3 other criminal prosecutions pending against the petitioner are questioned. And this court is in session of the matter. Session of that matter, comma, present writ petition, hearing of this present writ petition stands adjourned.
My lord can keep the matter on Tuesday itself.
We'll need some time to read the judgment as well.
Then my lord should not pass any
Stand
order. my
adjourned till
My lord has it.
heard there is another matter. No? Just a minute. 27, that matter is coming up. On stand adjourned till 7th September 2026.
Very well.
Stop. Next one. Since court has granted interim protections to the petitioner in writ petition WPA 15412 of 2026 and in writ petition number
No, it's at page
11489 of 26.
75
page 16, Malad. Chart.
My lord, without going to the case docket, my lord, kindly
This
do
case
not
is
pass
not
any order. My
maintainable,
lord.
my lord.
My lord, kindly do not
This
pass
is
any
not at
order.
all maintainable.
It's writ petition 15489 of 26.
Sir, kindly allow us to
WPA
submit, my lord. I shall show, my lord, this case is not maintainable. We have lodged complaints. Let police investigate, my lord. Let police investigate.
15412 of 2026 and in another writ petition being WPA 11489 of 2026, that is Cybercrime Police Station case.
Yes,
case.
ma'am.
11489 of 2026. Comma. No coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioner till 11th ফিক্স করলাম তো দেখো ডেটটা 7 সেপ্টেম্বর আচ্ছা till 11th September 2026 or until further order. Stop. However, this order shall not preclude the investigating agency to carry out investigations.
My lord,
My lord,
we
my
have
lord,
not
my lord.
opened the brief. My lord, your
My
lordship
lord,
has passed
my
the
lord, kindly
interim order,
appreciates
my lord.
one thing, my lord. Kindly
Very
seize
great
the
problem.
action section.
Find out
That's
other
the thing. My lord, kindly
things
seize the action
and the lodge
section.
FIR.
My lord,
And this court will
PCPNDT
go
Act
on
is
these
there.
matters.
My lord,
Hearing these matters.
My lord, PCPNDT
Yes.
Act is there. Drugs
at
and
that
cosmetics
affidavit
Act
of
is
service
there.
filed.
Affidavit of
My lord,
service filed
grievous
will get the
sections
petitioner.
are there,
My
my
lord,
lord, in this case.
kindly consider one thing. Your lordship is relying on numeric infrastructure. My lord, numeric
Now this
infrastructure-
court is
We're not
annoyed.
staying investigation.
numeric
One
infrastructure-
after another
Wait.
proceedings
Can I
repeatedly
They are
and matters
coming
are
subject to leave of?
I'm grateful, Mats. Most
Can
grateful.
Your lordship.
Can they provide the court the updated list of the FIRs, my lord?
No, not at this stage. Let me consider this.
My lord, kindly consider, we have not opened the brief, my lord. And
So that's why
numeric-
I have limited limited
in
period.
numeric infrastructure says your lordship knows better than me. Your lordship always relies on
No,
the
but
order.
at the same time,
My lord, it says, my lord,
if without
my lord, this satisfaction, my lord, your lordship has to go through the case record. Then your lordship is
Never, my lord, complaints will be
It's
lodged.
not a, my lord, on a
He will
routine
come
manner.
before
My lord,
your
whenever he
lordship.
comes,
no,
and
it's not a
get the
routine
protection.
manner. It will appear on a particular date. Matter will be heard.
But my lord, why? My lord, your lordship has not
Seven.
gone through the case
Sir,
docket.
one
No,
after
but in the
another, my lord,
meantime,
we are-
if I do not protect the petitioner,
No, that is the reason.
Uh,
Monday, Tuesday, your lordship can keep it.
in
The
that
FIR
in that event, this writ petition will be.
No, I am telling your lordship,
That
the
is correct.
FIR has been lodged in the month of July. Now
Most
here it
grateful,
now.
Lord.
Incident of
No,
2021.
whatever it may be.
Yeah,
No
whatever it
steps
may
has
be,
been
my lord,
taken.
court has to look
For
into those
one
things.
day, your lordship can keep the matter on Monday, my lord. We are
No,
ready.
We're grateful, Mats.
Yes, my lord, act
I have-
grievous.
That's similar. If it would have been a fresh matter, question is different. Against in one person, one after another FIRs are being registered.
But who is
And
going
and in all
on a
matters,
practical view?
in all matters, Mr. Mujumdar
Highest
has
same
granted
person, my
protection.
lord.
What remains? But I do not know what will be the order passed in that writ petition, which will be coming up on 25th.
On the basis of the allegation made in the complaint. My lord has gone to deepest respect, your lordship. Your lordship has not gone
No, no, you
My lord has already
carry on
gone
with
through the
investigation.
complaints, my lord. In the first rate,
To
we have
find
annexed those
difficulties
complaints.
With
Mr.
regard to
Shankar Narayan
investigation,
has
so far
placed those
non-cooperation of the
complaints.
petitioner is concerned, then you mentioned this matter.
You have not said the allegation, my lord. What is the allegation? You
Yes.
have not said our argument.
You will
Whenever
place
a
your
complaint
argument
will
on
be
this
lodged,
on
it will
7th.
come before your lordship. my
Mr.
lord.
Mujumdar, you will place your argument on 7th.
Not 7th, your lordship.
Grateful.
Keep the matter Monday.
Seventh, what is known to this court?
Monday, my lord.
No, so far seventh is concerned, what is known to this court?
I have some objections so far as these cases are concerned. My lord, they can but he is a high influential person who is going to lodge complaint my lord, prior to 2026. Now people are come forward, the cognizable offence are disclosed, FR is being getting started, and without going through the my lord, the gist of the allegation, my lord, to my humble submission, in view of nearing the infrastructure, my lord, kindly consider it, keep the matter on Monday.
In view of paragraph 14 of Haji Iqbal, what do we,
I can distinguish the Haji Iqbal there.
and paragraph 102 of Bhajanlal?
No, 102. Malafide, your lordship is saying the Malafide.
So there are judgments
After
either way, Mr. Mojumdar, there are judgments. So therefore, let it, we should not dilate on this issue. Had it been a first matter, I would have heard this matter. Court is hearing persistently the writ petitions of this petitioner from May 2026, and in all the matters which were heard by this court and also heard by a coordinate bench, taking up criminal divisional applications, in all matters protection has been.
My lord, no,
Here,
my lord,
that
he
is
not
the,
the same
that is
person,
the
my lord.
consideration.
My lord,
For
several
which
complaints are
very short
to be
period
filed
till
once
11
again.
this protection is granted, so that writ petition may not be rendered infructuous.
No, I'm
Nothing
telling you.
else.
No, I'm saying
And-
Monday.
More
No,
complaints will
Monday
be
is not
filed.
possible. Mr. Mojumdar, Monday is not possible. There are other matters. So far, this court is concerned. Others are lamenting. You come, please come on Monday at 10:30 and see the mentioning. How long this continues.
We have taken a lot of your time, my lords. I'm most grateful. I'm most grateful.
Protection without going to the case docket. Your lordship has not gone through the order of the
So
allegation.
that's why limited period I have granted protection. If matter is hard on 7, and if it is found that there are materials which requires consideration and not to grant further protection, court will pass an order.
I am speaking on the part of law. You know, it
Yes.
says without going through the allegation and without going through the case diary.
But there it is not observed by the Supreme Court in paragraph 33 onwards that in similar other matters, when protection is granted by the same court,
My lord, this
whether
case is
this
not
protection
similar, my lord.
can be extended to.
My lord,
my lord,
I bow down before
another
your
writ
lordship.
petition.
This is not a similar case. My lord,
Yes,
drugs
that
and
will be done.
cosmetics acts are
But
there,
in the
PCP
meantime, so
MDT
that the
acts are
matter
there.
will not become infructuous, this protection will remain, Mr. Mojumdar. Because in some other matters, I have passed orders, a coordinate bench has passed order granting protection.
Your lordship could have been given verbal direction, my lord. Why not this?
Very well, you make a submission and record it that no
Let it be
steps shall
from
be
the
taken.
affidavit.
Don't insist.
Yes, I know.
Why you are opening your mouth, Mr. Nondi, complicating the matter further?
I have better experience. What do you have done?
You follow your senior.
My lord,
You are appearing in this.
Next.
my lord, corruptions are there regarding medical field. In this case, my lord, completely different case.
Then let me record your submission that no steps shall be taken until 11.
Kindly do not do so. Other courts are also following the same procedure. They're asking us to please ensure nothing will happen in the meantime.
Is there any other courts having same determination?
Yes, my lord.
This court will be happy.
But I am telling you, in 438 court also, that is much more one step aggravated. There also the
Say
direction
so.
has been given. Mr. Majumdar, kindly see that nothing is happening in the meantime. So that the application we can influence. But I am only, my only, with deepest respect, your lordship passes any order without going to the case.
আচ্ছা একটা লাইন রেকর্ড করো তো মিস্টার হাওয়েভার মিস্টার মজুমদার learned additional advocate general and Mr. Chatterjee,
Or respondent number 6 and 7, the complainants.
learned senior advocates being de facto complainants,
My lord.
being de facto complainants have opposed prayer of the petitioner seeking interim protection. Stop. However, at this stage, such prayer is however at this stage however at this stage stop. It is already pointed out it is already pointed out above that since petitioner is enjoying interim protection in other writ petitions as alluded above, and also in one criminal revisional application. Stop. Criminal revisional application. Similar protection is granted to the petitioner for a limited period, so that present writ petition may not be rendered infructuous. Stop.
But
Yes,
this is
next.
completely different allegations are there.
Grateful, my lord.
I will hear all of you. I will hear all of you by keeping my mind open.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Otherwise, I would have passed an order up to 30th of November, which this court is doing in other matters.
No.
So since this matter is not hard on merit, for a
My-
limited
my-
period, I have granted
Your
protection.
lordship can.
So that-
we are not saying that your
And
lordship
taking
cannot.
note of the fact that another writ petition is coming up for further consideration on 25th,
But-
where same petitioner is enjoying an interim protection.
but we are
Nothing
saying
else.
Your lordship
This
has the
court
power
has
to
not entered into the
Your
merit of the
lordship. Don't take me amiss. We have
No,
never
it's
said
not a question of
your
taking
lordship
amiss.
has no-
Mr. Mojumdar, you are representing state. It is your duty to
But it
defend
is
your client.
our concern that, my lord, the principle laid down in Niharikan structure, it says after going through the material and the case docket, your lordship can pass on
Yes.
such order. But my lord, we have not opened the brief. Your lordship has not gone through the allegations. As a routine manner, it cannot be passed. That was my submission.
No, it is not. It is only for a very short period, taking note of the fact that in another matter which is coming over on 25th.
But my lord, then
Similar
clarify
protections.
one thing, my lord. The subject to the interim protection will be considered, my lord, on the final hearing, which is on 7th. So that
Yes.
they can, but the subject to the interim order which have been granted, because your lordship has not gone through the material, will be considered. The further extension will be considered only after going through the allegation and the case document.
That's always
Kindly
there.
record that.
Always.
Kindly record that.
That's
Paul,
always there.
I don't think that the court should be
on the
recording
next
this.
next day. Nah.
How can the court restrain itself from what it considers?
No, sorry.
Huh.
Yes, please call the next
Yes,
matter.
my lord.
No.
Court
No, I
can't
have passed
restrain
my order,
itself.
Mr. Mojumdar.
Lordship can consider
Sorry.
whatever.
Yes.
Yes.